Hi students, how are you all? I know you all are good. Today we are going to learn about clothes we wear. All of you open your EVH book, page number 49. Today we are going to explain about why do we wear clothes, clothes for different seasons and clothes for different people. Now let's start. Clothes. Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes? Do you know? We all wear clothes because they protect us from rain, heat, dirt, cold, insects bites, okay, and they make us look beautiful. Look. They make us look beautiful. Look beautiful. That's why we wear clothes. Do you understand? Why do we wear clothes? They protect us from rain, dirt, heat, cold, insect bites. They make us look beautiful. When we wear clothes, we look very smart and beautiful. Now student, we are going to discuss about clothes for different seasons. We wear different clothes in different seasons. Let me explain how. Clothes for different seasons. Clothes for different seasons. Okay. Now first, summer season. Which type of clothes we wear in summer season, do you know? Clothes for summer season. Clothes for summer. Clothes for summer. Mainly we wear cotton clothes. Cotton clothes in summer season. Right? We wear cotton clothes. Cotton clothes in summer. But why? Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Because it keeps us cool. It keeps us cool. Why? Because cotton clothes are very light. Cotton clothes are very light. It absorbs all the sweat and keep us cool. So right, because cotton clothes, they keep us cool, and they are very light. Cotton clothes are very light. Very light. That's why it absorbs all the sweat from our body and make us cool. They are very light, absorb sweat and keep us cool. That's why we wear cotton clothes in summer. So what type of clothes we wear in summer season? We wear cotton clothes. Remember that, cotton clothes. But why? Because cotton clothes are light and it keeps us cool. And it absorbs all the sweat. Absorb sweat. They are very light. Cotton clothes are very light. So that's why we wear cotton clothes in summer season. But student, which type of clothes we wear? What is the name of these clothes which we wear in summer season? Look, I am writing. Look at your book. We wear shorts. This is the picture of shorts. Shorts, t-shirt, bermuda, half sleeve shirt and cotton hat. We wear this type of clothes in summer season. Write down. First, we wear shorts. S-H-O-R-T-S, shorts. Next, t-shirt. T-shirt. Then Bermuda. B-E-R-M-U-D. Bermuda, half sleeve shirt. We wear half sleeve shirt because it is very comfortable for us. Half sleeve shirt. Next, cotton hat. We wear cotton hat from protect our head from heat. Okay? Cotton hat. COTTON. Cotton hat. So we wear this type of clothes in summer season. Summer. These are the clothes for summer season. Do you understand? So, which type of clothes we wear? We wear shorts, t-shirt, Bermuda, half sleeve shirt, cotton hat, frock in the summer season. Now, let's explain about clothes for winter. Clothes for winter. Do you know which type of clothes we wear in winter season? Clothes, CLOTHES, clothes for winter. Mainly we wear woolen clothes. Mainly we wear woolen clothes in winter season. Woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes in summer season. But why? Because woolen clothes are very thick. Woolen clothes are very thick. It keeps us warm. It keeps us warm and make our body heat. Cotton clothes are woolen clothes. Which type of we wear woolen clothes to keep us warm. Okay. Now student, which type of clothes we wear in winter season? We wear jacket. Look at your book. Jacket, sweater, gloves, woolen cap, woolen socks, muffler, monkey cap. These are the types of woolen caps which we wear in winter season. Okay, so write down which type of dress we wear. The name of this dress are jacket. 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 Sweater. 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 Gloves. 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 Woolen cap. WOOLLEN. Woolen cap. Woolen socks. WOOLLEN. Woolen socks. SOCKS. Woolen socks and muffler. 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 We wear these types of clothes in winter season. These are the dress for winter season. Okay student. So we have completed clothes for summer season, clothes for winter season. Now we are going to learn about clothes for rainy season. Clothes for rainy season. Do you know which type of dress we wear in rainy season? Mostly we wear raincoat over our clothes in rainy season because it saves us from getting wet. It saves us from getting wet. So which type of dress we wear? Raincoat. We wear raincoat over our clothes. We wear raincoat over our clothes because it saves us from getting wet. And some people wear gumboots. Some people wear gumboots. GUMBOOTS. Gumboots to keep their feet dry. Why they wear gumboots? Because it keeps their feet dry. Okay, that's why we wear raincoat and gumboots in rainy season. These are the dress which we wear in rainy season. Now we are going to discuss about the next topic, clothes for different people. Different people, student, different people wear different types of clothes. There are many types of clothes for different people. Look, I am writing here. Clothes for different people. Now look at the board. I am writing shadi, shadi, frock, gown, skirt, salwar kameez, these are the dress which wear only girls and women. Only girls and women wear these. So who wear these clothes? Who wear sari? Girls or women? Sari, frock, gown, skirt, salwar kameez. These are the dress for girls or women. Okay. So now student, we are going to learn the dress for boys or men. Which kind of dress boys and men wear? Do you know? Now look at the board. Dhoti kurta. Oh, boys wear dhoti kurta. D-H-O-T-I dhoti kurta. Lungi kurta. Lungi kurta. Achkan pajama. And short pant. Short pant. These are the dress which only wear boys and men. Who wear? Only boys and men. Boys and men. Boys and men wear this kind of dress. Which? Dhoti kurta, lungi kurta, achkan pajama, short pant. You all know. I hope you all know. And some clothes, we have some clothes which boys, girls, women, all the people can wear. The name of these dresses are T-shirt. Boy, girl, man, woman, all of them can wear this type of dress. Bermuda. Bermuda. 3. Jacket. Jacket. Shorts. Trousers. Sweater. This type of dress anyone can wear. This type of dress anyone can wear. So write anyone can wear. Anyone can wear. Okay. So student, we have completed. Why do we wear clothes? Clothes for different season and clothes for different people. I hope you all have understood. That's all for today and thank you for watching this video. Bye.